Okie dokie. Hey, what's good? I'm Ozma Calafia. These are my homies, Aloe and Hapa, who's currently having some, not doing so well, but I just watered her and she's gonna be okay. Here are my lovely commenters. I love my commenters. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sorry, it's a little too much touch in there. Okay, so I'm gonna take the key out of the car because this is a walk and talk video, and I'm going to go and walk and chit chat with you a little bit. So yeah, I got the keys. Hi, I'm out here on Yerba Buena Island, Ramaytush Ohlone land. Thank you very much. I'm grateful to be here. I'm gonna be walking up this way to, whatchamacallit? Oh, let me center you here. I'm gonna be walking up to this place that I've been on the channel before. It's got some interesting structure and some beautiful land. And you know, kind of funky little pointy thing there. Yeah, so that's over there's where I started the channel. Down there's where I hung out a bunch. Shout out the bridge. I'm hoping everybody can traverse the bridge one of these days. That's Treasure Island down there. Very soon I'll be going to Treasure Island. Hi.
Hello.
And for this video, I'm just going to set you up right there because this is actually where I made my first poetry video. And so I just thought it'd be cool to come back here. In the next video, I'm gonna walk and talk again. So see you in a moment. The video links are in the description. Bye.